Hi guys! Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Oh shoot.
Okay, so hapon na. And hindi pa kami kumakain. So
today, because it's late already, we are just going to go out for probably a walk around Joyce Collingwood, which is where we live in Vancouver. And there's a lot of Filipino restaurants and a lot of Filipinos. There's a large community of Filipinos living here.
true. So, ngayon, nag-iinit lang kami ng... Ano pangalan nito?
Ginger beef.
Ginger beef.
So our lunch today is Kat is having rice with ginger beef, and I'm having my leftover pokerito from yesterday's lunch.
Yes, and Maggie Savor. Chili mansi.
Yeah, pokerito is like a salad with rice and raw fish, and it's very, very good, but Kat doesn't like it because she doesn't like
Kumakain naman ako
ng
gulay.
okay, that's a lie. And Kat's drink is Gina, calamansi juice Gina. And mine is bubbly. Yeah, so we'll get eating and then we'll get ready to go out.
Siya nga pala, bago kami bumaba, shout out kay Mama Chat na nagbigay sa akin itong kwintas na to. Thank you so much, Ma. You're the best. Kahapon, kung nakita niyo yung vlog namin or sa mga previous videos namin, suot-suot ko naman yung necklace na binigay ni Momsh kami ni Kim. But anyways, irrelevant. But gusto ko lang mag-shout out sa inyo. Let's go!
Guys, it's currently 7 degrees, so it's not too cold. And we're just gonna walk down that way. And then down that way and then down. Joyce Collingwood is very diverse area. So here is I think that's Mexican store, right? Yeah. And then there's Happy Day Cafe where we went the other day, and then RBC. So if you keep walking that way, we're just gonna continue on doing that.
So dito ako dati nagpapakad ng hair nung dito pa kami banda nakatira ni Kim.
Okay. Here, right next to the exquisite, is a seafood shop, and they have a lot of fresh seafood. Here's a Buddha worshipping material city store, and over on the other side, there's another Chinese restaurant and a Vietnamese restaurant that is open 24 hours. Okay. And London Drugs is there, so it seems like everything is here. There's RBC there, HSBC there, and a little bit more that way there's another bank called TB. So here there's also for glasses, so like everything is here all in one place. And there's a lot of little Asian markets. There's UPS and a lot of dessert places also. There's also a Quinn laundry when the laundry is not available at people's rentals. This is one of the many produce stores here on Joyce Collingwood community. So That's a like mini palenque. They have produce and some meats inside, and also like Filipino snacks. And right across the street, there's also another place. So inside, there's also food. You can buy food inside. So they sell a bunch of Filipino things. Totolox, mulak. These are also their selections of like frozen fish and everything. They're all very reasonably priced. There's also a dollar store here. Lots of things useful for the house, especially in a Asian household. And if you need to go dress shopping after going to the dollar store, that's also available for you. And then you can go for a massage here. There's also a flower shop called Four Seasons Floral and Gifts. So with Valentine's Day coming soon, that's a good place. Right next to that is dessert. There's bubble tea here and another bubble tea there. I don't know why they don't fight, but apparently there's more people in this one. Across the street there's Safeway. That's a grocery store. So everything here is within walking distance, which is pretty great. And there's lots of Filipinos, so it actually really feels like at home-ish. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. There's TD there, another bank. And kind of traffic. There's a lot of traffic that goes here. Kingsway is one of the main roads in Vancouver, so a lot of passageways from here, and that's what it all looks like. This is the corner of Kingsway and Joyce. The bus to take to here is 41 and 49? No, 41
and R4.
And R4.
Sa Joyce. Pero dito sa Kingsway, 19 bus.
Yeah.
19 na bus.
So it kind of reminds me a little bit of the Philippines with all the wires, but those wires are actually for the buses. There's the bus. So this is Joyce Collingwood Station. It's on Expo Line. Is it Expo Line?
Yeah.
Expo Line. It takes 15 minutes from here to get to downtown, and we're also pretty close to Burnaby around Metrotown. It's 2 stops, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a bubble tea place. We're still on here, the bubble tea place, and we're gonna walk over that way. There's a lot of Filipino stores and Filipino restaurants. Okay, this is store number 1 or bakery number 1. This is the Bao Bakery.
Diyan namin binili yung siopaw ng isang araw.
And another one here is bubble tea. They also have snacks here, I think. Where's the Chico Chicken here?
It's beside Gay Market.
Oh, I see. So here is another Filipino palenque, please. Filipino market.
K Market.
K-Market. Here at K-Market, K-Market, you can get boxes for padala. So there's different companies. There's Darna Express, there's Star Cargo, and UMAC. Right next to that. Oh, what was here before?
I forgot. It's a Korean something.
Oh, okay. And then there's Plato Filipino, Pambangas Cuisine, and Kumare Express. It's express because it's small. No, honestly, it's express because it's small. The other Kumares are the restaurants. This is Turo Turo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's a little convenience store. Let's walk in front of it. And
It's
Yeah.
sari-sari store.
it's even called Sari Sari Store. It's so cute. So we can go in there and ask about
Kami ng
Padala.
Pinoy.
So we went in there and we bought a bunch of things. And they also own Liberté, which is like the restaurant near our building. So yeah, pretty cute. I like them. They're very nice. And they have a point system, so you get some kind of, what is it? Bonus?
So for
discount?
for every dollar,
You get
you
1
earn
point.
1 point. And then pag aabot ng 700 points, meron kang $20 na gift sa kanila. Worth $20 na gift sa kanila.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Right?
Okay. And yeah, so this area seems very Filipino-ish and very Philippines. Over there, they also have the wellness, the doctor's office, and there's a Filipino doctor there.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, so pretty nice place. You'll feel at home here. Hi guys.
Okay! So, dun na nagtatapos ang aming video for today. So, I hope na-enjoy nyo yung tour nyo sa Kingsway and Joyce. So, kung saan man naabot ang video namin sa mga tao na...
Newcomers are... This is a very good area for newcomers.
Mhm.
Because there's a lot of Filipinos, there's a lot of people all the time,
Mhm.
and it's really convenient because it's close to everything. There's a lot of markets that have all of the things that we think are the basics of a Filipino household, and it's also really nice to just be around other Filipinos if you're very new to
Yung
your
lugar na...
environment.
Oo, yung lugar na bago sa inyo.
Mhm.
So,
There's also like a lot of landlords here who are Filipino and rent rooms around 700 to 800 to 900. It's really expensive now, but that's still cheaper than renting your own, to be honest. And renting a room is nice because you get to be around other people when
Other
you're
people.
alone.
tama. May iba din naman na super lucky din nakakahanap sila ng mga 500 lang din na rooms. Pero maganda na tong area na to sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta ng Vancouver, lalo na yung mga gustong mag-aral dito.
Students. Yeah.
International students. But yeah, okay, that's it for tonight. So, bukas na naman. Bye!